Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Wednesday, November 29th, 2023. It's 2:20 and 15 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, cancer cells. So let's hop to it here. As survival of the fittest, new study shows how cancer cells use cell competition to evade the body's defenses. Cancer cells with multiple mutations alter the function of cell competition and use it to enhance their own invasive ability. Think November 22nd, 2023. Source: Tokyo University of Science. As cell competition, a defense system orchestrated by epithelial cells to suppress cancer formation, is altered in epithelial cells with sequential mutations, activated RAS, mutant epithelial cells, which would normally be eliminated into the lumen, instead infiltrate into the tissue to form invasive tumors. The underlying mechanisms were found to be increased MMP21 expression via activation of NFB signaling. Analysis using human samples suggests that the NFB MMP21 pathway contributes to early colorectal cancer progression. In general, mutations in multiple genes accumulate in stepwise manner when normal cells become cancerous. However, it is not known how cell competition is affected by this process. For instance, human colorectal cancer develops when the adenomatous polyposis coli gene becomes dysfunctional and activates WNT signaling, followed by the activation of RAS signaling. And this in turn was shown to be directly caused by activation of nuclear factor kappa B, NFKB, signals via the innate immune system, blocking NFKB signaling, restoring the luminal elimination of RAS mutant epithelial cells. And these findings raise some intriguing questions, such as how do transformed cells sense the cellular content that leads to the NF-BMMP21 pathway, and how do surrounding cells reorganize transformed cells and prepare them for cellular extrusion. These questions will almost certainly need to be addressed in the future. While the research team did note that the cancer histopathology of the mice used in this study resembled diffuse type cancer in humans, future research is needed to determine whether the NFKB MMP21 pathway is relevant to other cancers. For instance, investigating serous gastric cancer, a typical diffuse type cancer, would be particularly interesting. Overall, these findings demonstrate that WNT activation disrupts cell competition and confers invasive properties on transformed cells to escape primary epithelial sites. Understanding how the molecular landscape is remodeled, the change effect of cancer cells with high mutational burdens could be used for therapeutic purposes. This could be of interest to researchers focused on WNT signaling for cancer research. And this study further brings forth the prospect that cell competition constrains the order of appearance of mutations during tumor development, highlighting a link between cell competition and carcinogenesis. The scientific investigators and researchers hope that this will pave the way for the development of new cancer treatments from the standpoint of cell competition and infiltration for the benefit of our society. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Later Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.